Hey, I found this picture of Laurel and Hardy, and we're going to create a meme today. M-E-M-E, meme. First thing we're going to do is we're going to put a border around here, so we'll be able to use it. So put our text in. We come up here, and we're going to click on Image, and we're going to resize the canvas size. Over here, the width we're going to add 1 inch, and the height we're going to add 2 inches. We're going to click OK, come up here and click on Fit Screen, and there's our border. Okay, we're going to go to the full mode, and that allows us to use all these tools over here. The tool that we're going to use here, the big T, is for text, and we're already in the white text mode, as you can see up here. You can click that on and pick out any color you want, but because we're using a black background, we're going to use the white. Let's type something up here. Looks like your font size a little bit too large. Let's come down to 24 print. We can always resize it. And we need to type something in here like just that simple. How about if we make that a little bit larger? We're going to highlight this. We're going to come back over here and make this about 36 print size. Click the green arrow for saying it's okay. Click back inside it. Let's move this down a little bit, make it a little more centered. Okay, and we're going to come down here and we're going to click on and type something like about that. People are talking on Facebook. Highlight it again. Bring that font size down a little bit. About down to 24. Click the green arrow for OK. Yeah. People are talking on Facebook. Alright. That's pretty well centered. That's good. The concern we have now is we need to go up here and click on Image, resize. We have to resize the image size. Right now it's at 9 inches wide by 7 5/8, let's say, high. That's entirely too large for putting pictures up on Facebook. So let's just change the width from 9 down to 2 inches. And you can see this pixel size is 400 by 338. That's what Facebook likes to see. Click OK, and it really shrinks up. That's what we need though. Now we're going to come up here, we're going to save it, click File, we're going to say Save As, and we don't want to save it as a Photoshop document. We want to save it as a JPEG, and the name of this picture is Laurel and Hardy for Facebook. Click Save, and the quality's up to 12, that's what I like. Click OK, and we're all set for Facebook. Alright, hold on a minute, we're going to show you another one. Okay, here's part 2. Found a picture of some musical notes. Let's try to turn that into a meme. Okay, first thing we have to do is take this picture, and we're going to right click, I'm going to say open it with Adobe Photoshop, and give it a second here to let it open up. Okay, now we're open up in Adobe, and probably stretch this one out a little bit longer, but I see how large this area is here. We want to make that small so we got room to put our text. So like before, we're going to come up here and we're going to click on the image, and then we're going to resize the canvas size. This time over here, we're going to make the width, we're going to add another, I don't know, say 3 inches, and the height we're going to add another, say 6 inches. And we're in the border color here, currently of black. We could make this, I don't know, let's try some kind of a red. You can change it to any color that you want. You click on here anywhere you want to. Let's do something like that, I guess, just for an example. Okay, and the color changes here. Click OK, and you can see it's all bordered by the red. Let's go up here, click on Fit to Screen. Okay, actually, I don't really care for that. Let's go up here and click Undo. Alright, that just took away everything we just did. So let's go back up here one more time. Resize the canvas size, and I want to change this to, I can click here to make it the same color white. Okay, click OK, and again the border is going to be, what did I say before? Add an additional 3 inches, and add an additional 6 inches, and click OK, and fit the screen. Now we have a much larger area to work with. Therefore, because our palette is all black and white, we need to put some text on here. Click on the big T for the text. Now if we leave this at white, excuse me, if we leave this at white, of course our text isn't going to appear. So we're going to change this to black, or we could have calmed down here and clicked on the same black, but anyway. And I really don't know what I want to type, so let's see, I'll change this font size to something bigger, and how about let's separate this a little bit. We can position this anywhere we want it. And come down here, we can even change the font style. Click up here underneath the fonts and look over here for something in a script style. How about this? And type something like love you. Click the OK, and then come down here and type girlfriend's name. Okay. Now, if you wanted to, you can even take this. Oh, click OK. You can even take this and add an additional border. Again, come back up under Image, Resize, and then Canvas Size. And let's just put in an additional inch here and an inch there. But we're going to change the color of the border to black. Click OK. Click OK. Come up here and click on the fit the screen size, and now you can see we've enlarged the whole page, because before we just started out with this musical note stuff. Added a big white border, and now we just added a black border. You can make border after border after border, but this is good for now. And just like the other one, you got to come up here and we got to click on the file. Correction, we got to click on resize the image size now. And again, this is far too big for Facebook to accept. We get 2 inches, and you can see the pixels here, 400 by 385. really acceptable for Facebook. Click OK. Now look how small it is, okay? But that's what we got. Now we're going to click on Save As. And again, we don't want it to save it as a Photoshop. We could save it as a Photoshop file, meaning you could go back at any time and change everything you just did. But we're going to keep it as a picture, a JPEG file. And we're going to call this Notes for Facebook. Click Save, high quality, click OK, and you're done. Okay? Thanks very much.